Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change language in Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change language in Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, just simply tap into this pencil icon at the top right corner. And after tapping into there, you just simply have to choose the profile where you want to change the language. I'm choosing this profile, and after choosing the profile, this menu will appear. Now into here you can see this display language option. Just simply tap into display language, and then you can choose this many languages in Netflix. By following this very easy step, you can easily change your language on Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.